Tesla's full self-driving software has reached version 14, introducing an exciting new feature called Garage Autopark. This innovative technology allows your Tesla vehicle to autonomously park itself inside your garage, marking a major step toward full vehicle autonomy and unsupervised operation. Garage Autopark works by using advanced sensors and AI to navigate your vehicle safely into the garage without any driver input. This feature is designed to make parking effortless and convenient, especially in tight spaces or challenging conditions. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know about Garage Autopark, including how to set it up, how to activate it, how it works behind the scenes, and the important safety features that keep you protected. This advancement represents Tesla's commitment to pushing the boundaries of autonomous driving technology, bringing us closer to a future where vehicles can operate completely independently. Whether you're a busy professional, someone with mobility challenges, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, Garage Autopark offers a glimpse into the future of transportation. Garage Autopark is available to select FSD subscribers in beta. You'll need a compatible Tesla model like the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X with FSD hardware 4.0 or later. Make sure your Tesla has the latest software updates to access FSD 14 and Garage Autopark features. Note that the feature is not yet available in all regions due to regulatory hurdles, such as in Germany pending safety certifications. Before you can use Tesla's Garage Autopark feature, you need to complete the initial setup by mapping your garage. This process creates a virtual map that FSD uses to navigate autonomously. Start by manually driving your Tesla into the garage. FSD will record your driving path during this process. As you drive, FSD employs simultaneous localization and mapping, or SLAM, algorithms. This technology creates a real-time virtual map of your garage environment. The system carefully notes any obstacles in the garage, measures the dimensions, and records the entry angles. FSD also learns your preferred parking spot orientation, adapting to your habits for future autonomous parking. For best results, ensure the car has a clear, unobstructed path and that FSD properly recognizes the garage entrance during setup. To activate Garage Autopark, you have two main options, using the Tesla mobile app or the vehicle's touchscreen interface. For the touchscreen method, navigate through the vehicle's interface to autopilot settings, then select Garage Park. Before initiating, ensure your Tesla is correctly positioned just outside the garage entrance, facing the right direction. Once activated, the car will autonomously navigate toward the garage, detect the entrance, and park itself safely inside. Remember, you can always intervene if needed, and the system prioritizes safety throughout the process. Garage Autopark uses Tesla's end-to-end neural network, processing data from cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar to execute parking maneuvers. It operates in two phases, mapping and execution. It employs reinforcement learning from millions of scenarios. If the system detects pedestrians or uncertainties, it will halt. Tesla's end-to-end neural network processes sensor data. It operates in two phases, mapping and execution. It employs reinforcement learning from millions of scenarios. If the system detects pedestrians or uncertainties, it will halt. Safety is the highest priority in Tesla's Garage Autopark system. Multiple layers of protection ensure the vehicle operates responsibly in all situations. The system automatically halts operation if it detects pedestrians in the path or encounters any uncertainties that could compromise safety. This prevents potential collisions and ensures cautious behavior. Drivers maintain full control and can intervene at any moment using the pedals or steering wheel. This human oversight ensures the system remains a tool, not a replacement for driver awareness. Full self-driving shares driving data anonymously to continuously improve safety features. This collective learning prioritizes human safety over operational efficiency, creating an ethical AI system that gets safer with each update. Garage Autopark may encounter limitations in certain scenarios. Narrow garages can be challenging due to space constraints, while inclined driveways may affect the vehicle's stability during parking maneuvers. Poorly lit conditions, such as dim indoor garages, can also present difficulties for the system's sensors and cameras. However, FSD 14 updates have been designed to address these edge cases, significantly reducing error rates from 15% in previous versions to under 5% based on Tesla's telemetry data. If the system fails to complete auto parking, take manual control immediately using the pedals or steering wheel. Then, report the issue through the Tesla app to help improve the feature. Some users have experienced failures due to unmapped modifications in the garage, such as new shelving or changes to the layout that weren't recorded during initial setup. Looking ahead to future developments in Tesla's Garage Autopark feature, several exciting trends are emerging that will enhance safety, convenience, and integration with daily life. Tesla is targeting full FSD deployment by 2026, which would represent a revolutionary advancement in autonomous driving capabilities. Garage Autopark will evolve into comprehensive smart home integration, enabling vehicles to automatically park based on home automation signals such as smart locks opening or lighting systems activating. Expect increased emphasis on cybersecurity measures to safeguard connected vehicle systems from potential hacking threats, ensuring user privacy and safety. AI democratization will continue through over-the-air software updates, making sophisticated autonomous features more accessible and reliable for everyday users. Advancements in low-light vision technology, utilizing infrared cameras, will effectively address current limitations in poorly lit garage environments.